Hi everyone, welcome to All Round Parties. I'm Ella.
And I'm Lily.
And today we're going to be making something very simple but very fun. They are edible chocolate cups.
Yeah, so this is quick and easy. All you need is a block of chocolate, a balloon, a microwave, and a fridge. Now we are actually also going to add, because we've got white chocolate, we can make our cup coloured. So we're going to add some green to make a green cup.
Green food colouring.
I think we should just jump straight in with it. So what we're going to do is peel apart your chocolate block and put it into a bowl.
Depending on how much you want, I'd say begin with half a block of chocolate because you don't want to make it over the top.
And you need to melt this. Now you got to be careful that you don't overheat it when you melt it because it'll go a bit too thick. All right, let's go to the microwave.
All right guys, so that's going in for 1 minute to begin with. All right guys, so it's been a minute. Let's just make sure the bowl's not too hot. So I'd suggest using an oven mitt just to make sure you don't burn yourself. And you can see it's actually done quite a good job already. So we'll just stir that around. Look, at this point, I reckon maybe another 10 seconds and then we'll be good to go. You just don't want to put it in for too long because then it can burn and get quite clumpy, which is difficult to make the cups with.
This is the fun part. We get to add a little bit of colour. And don't put in too much, just a few drops will do. That might have even been a bit too much, that's okay. And then we're going to mix it around until it's nice and green. Guys, this is pretty much mixed in. Now you can use milk chocolate or add sprinkles or any colour of your liking. You don't have to use white chocolate if you don't like white chocolate. Now the next step, I'm just going to rest the fork to the side. Get your balloon. You don't want your balloon to be blown up too big. This is about right. And then you just dip it in. Get it all over all of the sides. Careful not to pop the balloon. I might even turn the bowl, bringing the green up like this. Yeah, I've used up pretty much all of the chocolate there, and it's quite thick around the balloon. And I'm just placing that in the middle of the plate. Now you're pretty much done. Add some sprinkles to the side or whatever you want. Just leave it in the fridge for a while, and we'll show you what to do once it is dry.
Okay guys, so once you can see that the chocolate has hardened with your cup, make sure you get a responsible adult first, but you need a sharp sort of object to pop the balloon, like so, and then you start peeling the balloon away from the cup. Now this has worked really well, as you can see. So then, once you have it like so, feel free to grab anything you like to put inside of the cup to eat it with. So you can put dessert and things. We've got some ice cream here, for example, and we're just going to pop that into the cup. Thanks so much everyone for watching. If you reckon you have a friend that would enjoy this creative snack, then tag them below and let them know.